Now then, and welcome back to another episode of Adventure Fishing UK. Again, I've chosen an absolutely awful day for pike fishing. I'm on the canal, going to be chucking some lures today. Hopefully going to be joined by Harry from Bang Average Fishing. We're going to try and catch a couple pike. The conditions are really against us today, but it is a bit warmer, although it doesn't look like it. Tiny bit warmer, so we're going to get very wet, but hopefully we're going to stay reasonably warm, and we might even see a couple fish on the bank. Set up for the day, the Fish Rig Max rod. This is a semi-telescopic rod with interchangeable tips. I'm going for the heavy tip today, so 25 to 60, coupled with the RR3000 fixed spool spin and reel, 30-pound braid, 33-pound wire trace, and the Westin Ricky the Roach Golden. Can't wait to use this. This is part of the Westin Advent Calendar. Let's get cracking. What a gorgeous lure. Dirty coloured water, so hopefully this should give a bit of glimmer and get onto some fish. Quickly just show you the action. Can't wait to get cracking with this. Hello, hello, hello. Looks like we've chosen another good day for it, doesn't it? So moist. It couldn't really be much wetter again, could it?
So wet, isn't it?
Fish! Oh, I missed it. Definite bite, that. Oh, massive bite then. Massive. I wasn't even concentrating. So that's two fish lost already. At least it shows that the fish are biting today. Harry has an app for his weather. He's into his moon cycles and his air pressure. So according to that magic fishing app, we're going to be in for a good day. And so far, with those two bites, nothing I could have done for one of them, but on the second one, which was the bigger fish by far, I just wasn't concentrating. It hit me on the way down as soon as it landed. And I didn't have a good enough grip of the rod to strike, so that was a shame, but 2 hits in half an hour, 45 minutes. Promising. Oh no. Right behind that far thing. It's a goner. Just not sure what I've got in my box now. I'll have something. So I've just lost on a post over there my Westin Ricky the Roach. Really enjoying using it, 2 hits. So I've just swapped over to a Fox Rage Xander Pro shad with 2 trebles rigged underneath it. Not as confident with this, but let's see how we go. Nope. Thought I was for a second, but I always strike just in case. Fish.
Yes, mate. Yes, buddy.
Please will you help me with the net? It's not bad, this.
Of course, mate. I'm sort of just in a bit of shock for a second. I don't know why, but
it's
oh,
not...
mate, class.
He wanted to come into that net, didn't he?
Oh, mate.
Hang on, let me get the old unhooking mat out. Oh. At long last. The blank is broken! Yeah. I didn't know if it had it or not for a while.
Nice fish though, mate. Look at that. Beautiful. Guzzled, you fox, did he?
He's gonna borrow your tools as well. Really? So the blank streak of about 6 or 7 trips is finally over. And I've just caught this nice pike on the Fox Zander Pro Shad. So at long last the blank streak's been broken. I'm so pleased about that. So it's probably got about half an hour, 45 minutes of daylight left. Gonna keep chucking this around and see if we can pick one more up before the end of the day. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out.
Not a biggie, but we've christened the Westin. And he's not going to flip in blank. Saving the blank. He's in.
He's in the net.
Beautiful.
What lure is that?
That was on the Westin something or other. Something small.
So that's the lure that did the damage.
Yeah.
Nice bright colour.
Westin something or other. No idea. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Close.
Nice jacket, by the way.
Very nice jacket.
A nice little blank saver.
Yeah.
Right before the end of the trip.
Beautiful. You know what, I'm quite happy with it. Nice. Little end, beautiful. On my first trip on the Lancaster canal as well. Oh mate, buzzing. Let's get this little girl back.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget, like, drop a comment below, subscribe. Make sure you check out Harry's channel at Bang Average Fishing. I'll leave a link in the description and I'll see you for the next video.